Hawaii Kai, an amazing community on the east side of the island with gorgeous beaches and an infectious island vibe. What I really love about Hawaii Kai is you're close enough to town, but away from the crowds, so you feel like you're living in paradise. The spot for outdoor activities like surfing, hiking, and boating. This area of the island is tranquil, charming, and unique. There are a number of beautiful properties here. Let me introduce you to one of them, the Commodore in Hawaii Kai. With stunning views, this one-bedroom unit features 2 full baths, an open lanai, new Bosch appliances, and central air conditioning. The building itself features an abundance of amenities, including a swimming pool, barbecue area, sauna, gym, and tennis courts for all those times you don't want to leave home. Hawaii Kai. This is local island life.